What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that could either be a total game changer or a total bank breaker for every single person running a work van.
He's talking about organizing that beautiful mess you call a mobile office. Milwaukee has finally done it. They've officially brought PACKOUT into the vehicle with a brand new racking system.
That's right, earlier this week Milwaukee launched their PACKOUT Rack Kit. This isn't just some slammed together shelf, it's a purpose-built system for vans. We're talking 4 lockable pull-out shelves designed specifically for your PACKOUT boxes.
And look at this, there's even enough room at the bottom for your big rolling PACKOUT toolbox. When I first saw this, I thought it's a no-brainer. Shut up and take my money.
You might want to hold on to your wallet for a sec there, because we just posted about this, and one piece of pushback we heard over and over was about the price. Andrew, what's the damage on the full kit?
I don't know if you're ready for this, Mike. The full 4-shelf unit is $2,000.
Well, I'm definitely going to need a raise for that one. $2,000, and a lot of guys are already saying they need 3, maybe 4 of these to fully outfit their van. That's about $8,000 before you even put a single tool in it.
$8,000?
That's what I'm saying.
My wallet just sealed itself shut for that price. I expected to make my coffee and drive me into the job site.
Period, sis.
But to be fair, Mike, you did some digging. How does that price compare to other big names?
That's the surprising part. It's actually right in line with what you'd pay for a similar setup from Ranger, WeatherGuard, or Knapheide. So it's not overpriced for the market, it's just, well, the market's a little expensive right now. We were all just hoping Milwaukee would come in a little bit lower.
But let's talk about why this even exists. We've all done this dance, right? You try to cram a PACKOUT crate onto a shelf that's ½ an inch too narrow, so it sits there all crooked. Or you hit a pothole in Grandview Heights, and everything in the back of the van sounds like a drum solo.
Exactly. Those traditional systems weren't built for PACKOUT. This is. When you convert your van to a system like this, everything is secure, organized, and standardized. You know what they say, organization saves time, and time is money. That could be an extra service call you fit in at the end of the day.
Okay. You're winning me back. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. What are the options? Break it down for us.
I got you, Andrew. The big kahuna is the full rack kit. That's your $2,000 unit. It's about 27 inches wide, 21 inches deep, and the height is adjustable, which is pretty cool.
Nice.
You could even set it low and use the top as a workbench.
What if I don't have $2,000 to drop at once?
That's a great question, Andrew. You can start smaller with the PACKOUT Rack. It's $750, has the same footprint, but comes with only 2 drawers. The cool part is you can stack these 3 high to eventually build out a full wall.
Oh, so it's like Legos for contractors.
Pretty much.
I like Legos. I can get on board with that, and you can add more drawers later?
That's right, the individual drawers are $200 a pop. Now for perspective, you could get with the simple PACKOUT wall mounting plates for about $140. They don't have the sexy pull-out drawers, but for a shop on a budget build, they're a bargain.
Let's talk installation. I've seen some of those other van systems. You need a degree in engineering and the patience of a saint to install them. And it costs a fortune.
That's another huge selling point here. It's designed for easy do-it-yourself installation. Because it's only 27 inches wide, you're not wrestling with some giant metal origami monster that fills the whole wall. You can save thousands on the installation costs, and you don't have to wait for weeks for your turn at the upfitter.
And the 21-inch depth is key. It means you can line one wall with these racks and still have a walkable aisle. You try putting these on both walls of a standard van, and you'll be shimmying sideways like you're trying to get to the bathroom at a crowded concert.
No one likes that. And if you do just one wall of racks, you can use those large PACKOUT plates on the other wall to hang more boxes vertically without taking up any floor space.
All right, so let's wrap this up. Milwaukee is clearly going all in on making PACKOUT a full vehicle ecosystem. And they're not messing around with safety either. You can't have hundreds of pounds of tools, blades, and nails turning into projectiles if you get in a fender bender.
You don't want a 10-inch saw blade trying to become a permanent part of your hairstyle. Look, the upfront cost is pretty serious, there's no denying it, but this is an investment that'll probably outlast your van and move to the next one. Think about the time you'll save. A few hours a week adds up to thousands of dollars in labor over a few years.
So the final verdict? It's a professional grade solution with a professional grade price tag. It's not for the weekend warrior, but for a full-time contractor or a fleet manager, this could be a legitimate game changer.
But what do you guys think? Is $2,000 a fair price for a system this integrated? Is it genius, or is it just too much?
Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. We read every single one of them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.
Did you like that video? Would you like more?
Yeah.
I wasn't talking to you.
My bad.
If you like the video and would like more, make sure you like and subscribe this one and slap that notification bell.
And if you have any questions, just give us a call or email us. We even have fax if you're into that.
And if you're still doom scrolling, make sure you check out one of these videos here.
Thanks for watching.
That's about $8,000 before you.
$8,000.
Yeah, sir.